What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances in the Experience Center. We're talking about buffalo chicken. We're talking about sous vide style on our SKS. Let's jump right into this awesome recipe. I'm so excited to bring you this. So I have a pound of thin sliced chicken, and I already have it in my cryovac bag. So we're gonna put everything you'd normally put in the buffalo chicken dip here, but we're gonna shred it, put it on a brioche bun, add some bacon, make a killer sandwich, okay? Let's jump. A little bit of cream cheese, 6 ounces is what we're gonna use, and a half stick of butter. Yep, I'm doing it. It's going right in, okay? Sous vide, it's gonna really add that flavor. Let's get this out of the way. Next, I have tablespoon of Montreal steak seasoning, cup of shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese. That's going in too. Yeah, it's all going in. Make sure, just give it a little shake. Make sure it's all incorporated even. Our buffalo sauce, nice cup of that's gonna go right in as well. And I don't know how you do it in my house, but I always add a little bit of ranch to this one. So, you know what I mean? Whether you like it or not, it's not really traditional, but it's me. So I'm gonna put a little bit of ranch in here. Nice 2 tablespoons. Move this around. Let's get this vacuum and sealed, nice and easily. All right, vacuum and sealed, it's all in there. Look at that, got our chicken, got our buffalo. Turn your sous vide system on, 165. This is gonna take about an hour, okay guys? Pop this right in the drink right now. Buffalo chicken in the sous vide, 1 hour at 165, but you know, chef got a little sidetracked. I was doing a lot of things in the showroom. It took about 4 hours, but that's the beauty of sous vide. It won't overcook it. It's only gonna build more flavor the longer it's in. So let's open this guy up. Steamy and good. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks amazing. All right, crew, buffalo chicken right out of the sous vide, ready to roll. This looks outstanding. Let's get all the juice down. We'll cut our bag open. And now we're just gonna place it all in a nice mixing bowl. I'm gonna get 2 forks and shred this guy. Get all this juice, don't waste any of this goodness. Guys, you can put this in a mixer. You know, I don't like the loud noise on the camera, so I'm just gonna shred it by hand the old-fashioned way. I find that, you know, if we shred it by hand, we get a better texture for this sandwich. If you're doing a variation, if you're doing like the buffalo chicken dip or something like that, you can definitely put it in the mixer because it's easier, you know, smaller for an appetizer, you know. Or, you know, if you want to leave it in big strips like this for pizza, make a buffalo chicken pizza, is, you know, I always say, make double the recipe because you're gonna find a way to use this, okay? All right, look at that. Nice little tears of chicken. Like, see how tender this gets? Look at that, shreds right off. That's beautiful. Nobody looking? Sprinkle a little cheese in just for love. Let's get to the board. Let's make magic here, okay? Brioche buns. Let's put a couple nice pieces of this chicken. I'll put a big piece on the bottom just as a base, and then I'll put the lighter shredded on top with the chicken and the cheese. All right, next I'm gonna add some candied bacon to this. These are delicious. They give a little salty, little sweet aspect to this sandwich. Top it with some shredded cheese, okay? Can top it with some like spicy cream cheese or something if you want to add some heat, but to this is how we're living right here, guys. Creamy, extra good. Going in for the bite. Oh, that's outstanding. Great buffalo, great texture on the chicken. Thank you, sous vide. Guys, hope you enjoy this easy buffalo chicken dip in the sous vide. Ton of variations. Enjoy.